Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to claim $110 from AIT airdrop. If you watch this video to the end, I'll be sharing with you the step-by-step guide that you can use in claiming this $110 you see right here in my wallet. You also can claim it in your own wallet as well. But before we dive into details on how you can go about claiming this $110 you see on my wallet, before we go into deep details on how you can do that, welcome to my YouTube channel, Ojio Billionaire Academy. On this channel I talk about how to make money online, how to claim free cryptocurrency, how to earn airdrop, and how to generally make free money online. So if you are interested in making money online, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also click the bell notification icon and select all so that you'll be notified whenever I drop video on this channel. Also, you might want to go ahead and check some of my previous videos where I've shared mining apps and other offers on how you can make money online, so that you can watch those videos and apply the ones that are still valid and see how you can make money for yourself. If you've done that, don't forget to like this video and also comment below this video $100. Comment below this video $100. Comment below this video $100. So if you've done that, let's dive into details of the video for today. So guys, first thing you need to do is to go ahead and install the Bitkeep DeFi crypto wallet on your mobile device. As you can see here, I've installed the app right here. So let's check out what this app is all about. So as you can see here, what the app is all about, you see right here, a trusted blockchain wallet that supports BTC, ETC, Binance and the likes of it. So this is what the app is all about. So there's more details here that you can go and read about this app. So guys, you need to first of all install this app on your mobile device. Now, why are you installing this app? That is where you'll be receiving your token for, because the token we are going to participate in airdrop is already listed in this app, and it's also it also has value on this app, but on other platform it doesn't show the value, but on this platform it shows the value. That's why you should go ahead and use the Bitkeep DeFi instead of using your Trust wallet or your MetaMask or whatever wallet. Just go ahead and install the Bitkeep DeFi crypto wallet on your device and try to use it to participate in this airdrop. So guys, if you've done that, if you've successfully installed the Bitkeep, let me show you how it looks and how you can go ahead and add the token we are going to participate in the airdrop. So upon successfully installing the app, you first of all, it will be on all minutes like this. It will be on all minutes then, and this token will also not be listed available. So first thing first, what you need to do is to head over to this place right here where you see all minutes and click there and click on Binance Smart Chain. You click on Binance Smart Chain, then you go ahead and click on search. Then after clicking on search, you type in AIT. You can see the AIT token here. You go ahead and click on add this token, because it will ask you to add token. You go ahead and click on add this token, then you successfully add the AIT token on your wallet. So if you've successfully done that, add the AIT token on your wallet. If you've done that successfully, go ahead and click on it and click on copy right here. You copy your address when you need to use your address. You go ahead and click copy right here and you copy your address when you need to copy your address. So guys, how do you get this airdrop right now? How do you get this airdrop? You see right here the time I received it. I'm going to show you how you can participate and earn this airdrop. So let's go there right now. So guys, the airdrop is a Telegram bot. is a Telegram bot airdrop, so we don't know how long it's going to last. So just try and participate in it as quick as possible as you can right now. So you go ahead and click start. When you click start, I will drop the link of this airdrop in the pinned comment and also in my Telegram channel. So if you are not in my Telegram channel, do well to join my Telegram channel so that you can see how you can go about and participate in this airdrop. So join my Telegram channel, as I also drop the link to my Telegram channel down the description of this video, and also drop the airdrop link also in my Telegram channel, and also I will try and drop it on the pinned comment of this video. So guys, upon successfully coming to this place, you click start. It will ask you to join AIT trading Telegram channel, join advertising Telegram channel, and join AI trading Telegram channel. Go ahead and join all these channels. If you've done that, then you send them your username, just like I did right here. You send them your username. After sending them your username, they will tell you what the project is all about, so you can visit all this place and check the chart and check the audit paper and everything. If you've done that, you just click next, which the next button will be showing for you as the option for you to click. Once successfully clicking next, then it will take you to their Twitter page, where you need to follow their Twitter page and also retweet their pinned comment and like on that. So guys, for you to retweet their pinned comment and get the link to share, you first of all, you just like what I did right here, I had to requote it instead of just retweeting it. I had to requote it. You see, I had to requote it. Then I came down here, click share, I saw the copy link, and I went ahead to paste it. So guys, you need to click retweet with quotes. Like if you click retweet, you click retweet with quotes. So this is the original. I clicked retweet and I did retweet with quotes. That's how I was able to get, after retweeting with code, just like you see here, I was able to get my link. So that's it guys. Then you copy your link and you paste it right here. Once successfully pasting your link, it will ask you, your final task is to paste your BEP20 address. Guys, remember how I showed you how to copy your address from the bitkeep wallet? You just copy your AIT wallet and paste it here. So guys, upon successfully pasting your AIT wallet here, it will show you your balance. Not withdrawable token is 100,000, withdrawable token is 0. So you go ahead and click withdraw right here, and immediately you click withdraw. You can see right here, I click withdraw, and it said right here that by 8:08 it said your withdrawal was successful. 8:08. You can see that by 8:09 I got the withdrawal. So this is it. By 8:09 I got the withdrawal. So this is in 24 hours time, and the other one is in 12 hours timing. So by 8:09 I got the airdrop. So instantly I got it in my wallet. So guys, that is it.